Google just replaced your assistant with Gemini. And if you're not happy about it, you're not alone. Today I'm showing you exactly how to switch back to Google Assistant or remove Gemini completely. I put timestamps in the description if you want to skip to a specific step, so let's dive in. First, let's change your default Assistant app. You'll see this on screen now. Open your phone's settings. Go to Apps, Default Apps. Tap Digital Assistant app. Here you can switch back to Google Assistant if it's available, or just select None to disable assistants altogether. Quick note, these menu names might vary slightly depending on your Android version or phone manufacturer, like Samsung or Pixel, but the steps are pretty similar across the board. Next, let's check inside the Google app itself. Open the Google app. Tap your profile picture in the top right. Go to Settings, Google Assistant. Then look for Digital Assistants from Google or Preferred Assistant. From here, you can switch back to Google Assistant or disable Gemini completely. Now, if Gemini keeps coming back, here's how you completely remove it. Quick heads up, uninstalling updates will temporarily remove other Google app features until you choose to update again. But don't worry, your phone will still work normally. Here's what to do. Go to Settings, Apps. Find the Google app. Tap the three dots in the corner and choose Uninstall Updates. This will roll the Google app back to the factory version, before Gemini was added. To make sure Gemini doesn't reinstall itself automatically, open the Google app in the Play Store. Tap the three dots and uncheck Auto Update. That way, Gemini won't sneak back in with future updates. And that's it. Hopefully you've just taken back control of your Android Assistant. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments. Do you prefer Gemini or the old Google Assistant? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.